Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Thank you this time for tuning in to my 3056th edition of Short Term Trading Live with Oscar. Yesterday, midday, I gave you a video to show you what was going on in the U.S. indices. I stayed steadfast with those indices and showed you that we were racing up for new highs, then take a one-day pause for the double top, and then the explosion through the double top. So yesterday we kept you in tune midday with an update in the U.S. indices. Today's midday is for my crypto fans. Let me show you what's going on in the crypto world. You are looking at, by the way, risky. Trading is risky. Never trade without stops. Let's look at Ethereum first. This is for trading on Friday, April 17, 2026, your Ethereum daily bar chart. Now, let's look at the average first. Ethereum had trouble getting through this trend line and through this average. Couldn't get through the average, failed. Couldn't get through the average, failed. Got above it, but failed at the trend line. Failed at the average, couldn't get through, failed worse. Couldn't get through, failed again. Here, gets above the average. You saw videos about that. Now look, we are above the resistance line. Look at this. It is above. Check it out. First time in how long we are above the resistance, and Wall Street is watching. So we are now above the moving average that was holding us in check and above the resistance line, allowing Ethereum to start run up. But look, there's more. Watch this. Look at Bitcoin. Look at the resistance and look where we are. Bitcoin resistance, right, from the high where our target was met at 126, comes crashing down, hits the trend line, can't get above, crashing down, above the trend line as of now, baby. Same thing breaking out in crypto as well. And also Solana is there. I believe that's on 5. Look, Solana did the same thing. See the big trend line? From the high, connection. Well, we're above that in Solana as well. And that, of course, will help push the OMNITRADING token even higher. OMNITRADING token is doing well. Let me see if I have it down here. I haven't even, well, I looked at it today, but there you go. Let's look at it. Look at the OMNITRADING token doing great. Came popping out back above the average. Now we've got Solana moving higher. Traders are all over it. Come in and buy your Omni tokens. But the big thing I wanted to show you, of course, was that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana have broken out above their resistance. Traders, if you've not paid attention, take a look at this. Now you've got our cryptocurrency joining. What is it joining into? This. The transportation average has been leading us higher, and I've kept you steadfast on that notion all the way through, no matter how many naysayers told me the top is in and that's it, we're going to go down. And Oscar, you don't know what you're talking about. I read charts. I don't come up with opinions out of my crazy mind. I read charts. I have to deal with people that come up with opinions out of their crazy minds, like, I don't like Trump, so the market's going to go down, which has nothing to do with where markets go next. And this is how I get this constantly. Let's let Trump out of it. I think. People tell me constantly, I think this is going to happen, Oscar. And I say to them, wow, you think? And you think you're going to be right? In other words, you think that because you went to college and you came out with a degree to be a lawyer, a doctor, or a dentist, that's going to make you smart enough to trade futures or stocks or crypto? It's the wrong education. But you guys think you're so smart that you can outsmart the chart. I spend my life showing you that we take our brain out of it and the chart shows us where we're going to go next. Look at the proof, kids. Learn how to read charts and keep keep our crazy minds out of our opinions. Much better chance of calling this correctly. You just witnessed magic come from me in these last few weeks, especially these last few days. All of that is because of the charts. I have nothing special here. The charts are special. Traders, I hope this helps. Thanks for tuning in. The markets look great. As far as the stock market's concerned, this is earnings season. The earnings have been great. We should continue higher through earnings season, and then maybe we get a pullback. So far, so good. Gotta love the markets. We made good money in gold today. We couldn't get in the indices, but we did short gold for a little while. Took our profits, got out of its way, and that was it for our day. All right, traders, I wanted to give you the morning update. It's about 11:38 a.m. in New York City, and I'll get this video out to you right now. Remember, traders, stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll, traders. Go get your Omni token now. Go buy your crypto. It is